In this video, I'm going to show you how to search the prices of your Japanese Pokemon cards. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you found an old Japanese vintage lot that was well kept in your attic. How do you actually go ahead and find the prices for those cards? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now eBay, in my experience, has been the place where it comes to getting really good prices for Japanese Pokemon cards. Now the way to actually do this is if we take this card here, for example, okay, and we zoom in. What I'm looking for is I look at the bottom and I try to find the number of the card, and then I also try to find where the card is from. Okay, so you can see here it says gym. So if we actually type in this term here, which is Japanese Pokemon card 36. Okay, 36 referencing the bottom right hand corner, and then gym, which is referencing the gym set from here. That's how we are able to find this card here. But hold on, we're not done just yet. The way to actually find a realistic price for it is that you want to go ahead and scroll down, and then you want to check the box that says sold items. And with that box, you can see that this card has been sold for $12, $14, $7, $25. And so with that, that gives you a more realistic idea of how much this card actually sold for. So using this filter where it says sold items is a really good way to actually go ahead and get a price check for your Japanese Pokemon cards. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and search for prices of your Japanese Pokemon cards. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next